back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Do you guys like my hair? So I've just got it in some twists. I put them in 2 days ago and look how lazy I've been, guys. I haven't even sealed the ends yet, but I will do that probably later on today. So as you see in the title, guys, this video is basically going to be me trying to do my makeup. Let me just give you a little background, okay? If you watch my videos, you will see that I hardly have any makeup on, or literally have like the minimal makeup on, which is basically eyebrows, eyeliner, and sometimes a little bit of lippy. That is it. And the reason being is because I'm pretty much crap at doing makeup. Simple as. Yes. So this picture here is literally the best attempt that I've had at doing a full face. This is my 26th birthday and I was in the club looking like this. Nobody even told me that my face looked like this. What kind of friends do I have, people? Oh gosh, what a night. Anyway, yeah, so I'm literally just going to be doing a full face of makeup today. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so here's my makeup bag, guys. My little makeup bag from Primark. And I'll be starting on a fresh, clean face. This is literally the only cream that I use on my face, guys. Anyway, let's put my hair up so we can get a good look at what I'm about to do. So I don't actually have that much makeup because I don't really do my makeup. But also because I'm not that good at it. I don't want to be spending like too much money on makeup and then just waste it. It's best if I practice first and then I can move on to buying like proper makeup. Don't laugh at the stuff I use, like my Q-tips and stuff like that. I'm just making do with what I have. So first thing is foundation. So I have the MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15. So let's put the foundation on. And I don't have a beauty blender. I've got one of these things, so I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my face. I've got a few things from MAC's and I only went in there to get eyebrow pencil, and then this makeup artist, she got a bit carried away. Well, she knew what she was doing because she knew that her whole plan was to try and get me to buy more stuff. She showed me the eyebrow pencils and then she started putting on like eyeshadow, and she's like, do you know what, let's try on some lipstick as well. And then I was just like, wow, this looks so good. In the end, she ended up doing like my whole face, and then as a result, I ended up buying a few more things that I didn't intend to buy. This being one of them, and a few other things over there. Blend it now. The shade she chose was actually quite similar to my skin colour. What do you guys think? Oh, by the way, I left a lot of my makeup in Tobago. Sadly, I don't know how. Rest in peace. It's gone in my eye. Oh gosh. Alright, I think we are done with the foundation. Let's go on to, here it is, the concealer. So again, this is the one from MAC's. MAC's? Why do I keep calling MAC's? Who's MAC's? So I'm just going to use the liquid one and do my highlights. This is what people do, innit? They put underneath like their eyes, or whatever, in a triangle. Wakanda forever! Alright, so this is the only tape that I could find, but we're gonna work with this today, guys. We're gonna work with it. I'm gonna put one on this side here and on the other side. So the MAC lady, she said to start off with like a dark colour on the outside. So I'm actually gonna use one from MAC, the middle dark one. I feel like it needs to be a little bit darker, so I'm just going to go ahead with this other palette and put maybe some black. think I'll just leave it like that. And then I'm going to put the colour on it. So I'm going to go for a glittery purple. Just putting a bit more of the black on the outside. So another gift from my friend, this Revolution Baker bronzer. So I'm going to put this on my cheeks. I feel like a clown. Like, I don't think this looks good. Let me know what you think, guys. Alright, let's move on. So I'm going to try and contour with this. Oh my days. Ooh. And just put it here. And then blend it out. Oh my gosh, I'm doing this all wrong. Yeah, looking like one zebra right now still. See, I have got eyelashes here, but I completely can't do it. It just don't happen one day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Volumax eyeliner and mascara. So it's eyeliner on one side and mascara on the other side. And then mascara. Lord have mercy. Okay, let's go ahead and put the lipstick on, guys. Alright guys, so that is my final look. Oh my gosh. I need help, man, I need help. That is literally it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I would really like to know what you guys thought. So pop it in the comments below. Let me know if there's anything that you guys would like to see from me. Yeah, so just stay blessed. I hope you all are really good. Just, you know, remember in life to keep positive. So don't forget to subscribe, guys, if you want to see more of my videos, and hit the notification bell button. Right, I need to go and seal the ends of my hair because they're starting to fray out now. Until next time, guys, I will see you guys later. Bye.